Now we are going to add a second fish. Right-click on the fish and choose Copy. Make a new layer between the fish and the background and name it Fish 2. Click in frame 1 of the new layer and then choose Edit, Paste in Center. To make it easier to work on this animation, lock the foreground, the other fish, and the background. Also, go ahead and hide the other fish. I'm going to double click this fish, the copy, and we'll see that when we copy an object that is on its own timeline, that the animation from its timeline is also copied. Click on Scene 1 to get back to your fish. Okay, we're going to change the way this fish moves. Choose the Free Transform tool. Look for the rotation point. It should be right here in the center of the fish, but sometimes it may appear outside of the fish. So if the rotation point is not inside the fish, click it and drag it back to the center of the fish. Go to Modify, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Move the fish over to the bottom left corner above the dirt, and then choose the Free Transform tool and rotate the fish so it's pointing up at an angle. Let's see, go back to your black arrow, right click the fish and choose Create Motion Tween. Then come down to the timeline and click in frame 50 of the Fishes 2 timeline and move the fish across the screen so that it goes off the other side. It may be hard to see, but there's a little dotted line right here. If you click on any of these dots, you can change the curve. And so when I do the red bar, you'll notice that the fish is swimming following that curve. And you can alter the curve if you want to give the fish a different angle. Go ahead and unlock your layers and unhide your second fish. Save your work and then go to the control and test your scene. And you have now created your first fully animated movie.